Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change system library icons in Windows. I want to change download library icon. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root, click and expand CLSID. Location in registry is given in description. Right-click default icon, click permission. Click advanced tab, click change, type everyone, click check names, click OK. Click add, type everyone, click check names, click OK. Select all full permission, click apply, click OK. Right-click icon file, click copy as path. Open default string, paste the file path, close and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.